Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today, we will understand open range breakout as an intraday trading strategy. So what we do is, let's say we have a candle in the morning. It can be of any color. So right now I'm just making it purple. What traders look at is they will first let the 920 candle close. Then they mark this high of the candle, and then they will also mark the low of the candle. If in the morning after 9:20 the high is broken or the low is broken of that candle, then they trade in that direction. This gives them the sense of direction, and based on the target system and stop loss they have, they book their profits. Lot size depends on how the trend is moving, and then they trail their profits if required. So we'll understand how this works in intraday. So now this is the chart I have of 5-minute Bank Nifty. And in that, what I'm going to do is place the ORB indicator. ORB indicator will do what? It will only place the highs and the low as a line. Now, if you carefully observe in today's live market, in the morning, okay, the high was broken and it came down. All of a sudden, from the low, the bulls took it up, again took a resistance exactly at the high, and it went down. But this, as per price action, is a support area, means demand area. So they are not able to take it down. And now they are struggling. The bulls are struggling to take it up. So unless the high, this blue line, is not broken, we cannot consider this as a bullish day. If this is broken, the brown line, it is a bearish day. Let's look at some examples. The low got broken at approximately this time. Let's see the time and study this at 10:15, and you can easily short over here with a 1:2 ratio if you want. That's it. And if you don't want to give such a big stop loss, make it 50 points. That's enough, around 48, 50 points. And go for a 1:3 ratio. That's it. See, perfectly you will get it, your 1:3 ratio. If you're very conservative, then go for 1:2. That's it. Now let's look at here. The low got broken. People entered with a stop loss. Your 1:2 is covered. Your second trade comes when the high is broken. So this will not work. We'll go for a long position over here. So we'll take a stop loss again of 50 points. And we'll make it a 1:2 target. Now, some people asked me, where is this 1:2 noticed? If you look in over here where my mouse, it says 2. So the risk is the red area and the reward is the blue area. So your 1:2 is met. Now, why do I say 100 points over here? Because 100 points in a future chart or a spot chart is 40 points in options. So easily you can scalp over here using this. Then the second trade comes, you can again do it. The third trade comes, again you can do it here. So let's look at other days. Does this require price action or any trend analysis? No. Intraday traders will only look at this. This is a very powerful strategy. A lot of people use it. And I personally know traders who make good money. They just put this. No CPR, no pivot, nothing. Look here. The high got broken. You enter with the stop loss. The stop loss got hit. You again enter because it's going upside. And meet your targets. Look here. The low got broken, went down. The low got broken, went down. The low got broken, went down. The high got broken, did not go much up. Second time trade, the high got broken, you will meet your target. The high got broken, you will meet your target. The low got broken, you meet your target. The low got broken, did not succeed. Take a second trade here. The high got broken, it came up. Unless these highs and lows are not broken, never enter a trade. That's the most important. Look here. The high got broken, you enter and just trail it. That's it. Now, some people go advanced. What they do is they change the ORB settings. So they make it 15 minutes. And over here, I'll make it 9:15 to 9:30. So the candles will change the highs and lows. Now see, the 15-minute high is broken and now the entry. 15-minute low is broken, now entry. 15-minute low is broken, enter. 15-minute low is broken, enter. 15-minute low is broken, enter. 15-minute high is broken. Sorry, the low is again going upside, don't enter over here. Now over here, the problem is this got broken at 3 o'clock. I normally tell people don't take trades after 3 because these are not trends. What happens is when people exit out of their trades, these setups are made. Okay, so there is a lot to do with OI over here. This is not actually an uptrend. See here, the low got broken, we did not succeed. The high got broken, we did not succeed, a bad day. The high got broken, take it down. Or the low got broken, take it down. The high got broken, we'll wait. Over here, we'll enter the trade. 1:2, done for the day. Now, what happens in this is the patience that you need. It may not happen exactly when you want. So what you can do is, let's say today's chart, I want to know when the low and the highs are broken. So what I'll do is, over here on the high, I will right click and I'll say I need an alert. So over here, I'll say crossing up. That's it. And place my alert. So when this high is broken, the laptop or the mobile will give me an alert. So this way you can also set up your alert mechanisms and enter the trade when it's the right time. I hope this simple ORB range is helping you understand how the market operates, and a simple strategy called ORB will give you some profits. If you like it, please share and subscribe. My love for you. Happy trading. Goodbye.